Hi guys, thanks so much for tuning in again. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw hair from the flow to the finishing touches. Okay, let's get started. I know hair can feel kinda tricky at first, but honestly once you understand a few simple steps, it's way easier than it looks. First of all, I believe there's no single right way to draw hair. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you my personal approach. So the first step is understanding the natural flow of hair. Think of it like ribbons or water, soft and fluid. Start by sketching large sections and overall direction, rather than drawing individual strands. With the background, So guys, just a quick heads up. My latest artwork is now up on my Patreon, and you can check it out through the link in the video description. I also have a bunch of other unique exclusive pieces, so feel free to take a look while you're there. Alright, let's get back to it. So highlights are super important. Use soft, blended highlights across the hair bundles to make them feel nice and soft and shiny. Some common mistakes are drawing too many strands, making hair too flat, or ignoring how hair grows. Just simplify, focus on big shapes and how the hair behaves in groups, not as lines. Once your base is complete, finally you can stylize it. Realistic, anime, graphic, whatever suits your style. You know, the foundational flow and shading techniques work across all art styles. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. You can watch the full real-time version of this tutorial on my Patreon. If you like to see how I draw straight hair or other styles, consider becoming a member and let me know. Members also get access to exclusive artworks, so if you like more behind the scene content, I'd love to have you join. Alright, that's it for now. Take care, stay tuned to see what I'll be doing next, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!